looking for something different and fresh, you've come to the right place. Saturday, January 29th, the Alliance presents to you a big bash. A lineup you haven't seen in a very long time, all together on the same stage. This is definitely a can't miss event. Yeah, it's going down. In the building, we got Djakout, #1, with a fresh new album that's still buzzing in the streets. We got Harmonik, and with a new album coming out soon, who knows, they might just test some new material. And last but not least, we have Kreyol with the brand new album Evolution that has the streets in a frenzy. It's crazy, people. Intermission will be by DJ Stacks Dinero of High Profile Team HKNY. Tickets are $30 in advance. If you're celebrating your birthday, you get in free, but you gotta have proper ID. The choice is simple. January 29th, all roads lead to Club Amazura. We got plenty of surprises that night, and we're also giving out tickets to T-Vice at BB King's. Make sure you're there. Djakout, Kreyol, and Harmonik at Amazura. Don't miss it!